How to apply HC, HCF, and QC Nano Mold Coatings. Nanoplas is known throughout the world for their one-of-a-kind Nano Mold Coatings. There are three types of coatings in the Nano Mold Coating family: HC, HCF, and QC. HC and HCF, the food-grade alternative of HC, are applied in the tool room at room temperature. The QC family of products, QC, QCR, and QCS, are applied in the press on a hot mold. Cleaning the substrate is the most critical part of the application process. If the substrate is not clean, the coating will not bond well to the surface. The cleaning process is the same for all the coatings. Begin by pre-cleaning the surfaces with a mold cleaner/degreaser. Nanoplas Mold Brite and Power Clean are excellent choices for this part of the process. Remove all surface debris and any oils, lubricants, and rust preventatives from the pores and crevices of the mold. Do not use shop rags, as these are often contaminated with lubricants or detergents. The white microfiber cloth in the kit will work well for this step. Continue cleaning with solvent until no oil or debris is evident on the cloth. Use a clean white cloth wetted with ethanol, alcohol, acetone, or MEK solvent to remove any residual degreaser and oils. Make sure the surface is completely dry before you start the application process. Before applying the product, let's review what is contained in each kit. All kits come with microfiber swabs and cloths for applying the product. The HC kit has one bottle of coating, one 8-ounce bottle of Nano Mold Cleaner, and one bottle of remover, which is only used to remove the coating. The QC coatings also has one bottle of coating, one 8-ounce bottle of Nano Mold Cleaner, and one bottle of remover. The HCF kit contains one 8-ounce bottle of Nano Mold Cleaner, a bottle of remover, and 2 bottles of coatings, Part A and Part B. The coating, Part A, has a catalyst, Part B, that needs to be kept separate from the rest of the coating until it is time to use. This extends the shelf life of the coating. To prepare the coating for application, use the dropper contained in the kit to move Part B into the Part A bottle. Once completed, shake well. The method to apply the HC and HCF coating is the same. Depending on the mold configuration and area, you have the choice of using the microfiber swab or cloth. Apply a small amount of coating to the swab or cloth and begin to wipe onto the surface in one direction. When applied correctly, it should appear wet, like you wiped an alcohol wipe over the surface. Reapply coating if the swab or cloth becomes dry. Once applied in one direction, apply a second coating in a perpendicular direction over the same area. Since the coating is difficult to see when applying it, this assures that the entire area is coated well. Make sure when applying that there are not streaks or pooling of the coating. Excess coating can cause issues by creating a sticky residue once cured. Once the coating is applied, use a standard heat gun to begin the curing process. Set the heat gun to 550 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit and position the end of the gun 4 to 6 inches from the surface. Apply heat in a slow sweeping motion, back and forth at least 10 minutes over the entire coated area. To confirm that the surface is properly coated, there is a UV dye in the coating that can be seen with a black light. The QC does not contain the UV dye. For longer coating life, you can apply a second coating. Cover the mold with a clean cloth to keep dust from settling into the coating, and let sit for a minimum of 3 hours for the coating to completely harden. The QC family of coatings are applied in the press to be able to use the heat control of a thermolator. The same cleaning process used for the HC coatings should be used prior to application. Begin by heating the mold to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Shake the bottle well before use and during reapplications. Apply a mist to the surface of the mold or to the microfiber cloth. Wipe lightly to provide a thin, even layer. Remove any excess pooling or streaks immediately. Once you have applied in one direction, apply again in a perpendicular direction over the same area to assure the area is coated properly. After applying, heat the mold to 240 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing to cure for 15 minutes prior to production. If 240 degrees is not achievable in your press, the length of time to cure should be increased proportionally to the reduction in temperature. Once it is cured, it is ready for use. For general maintenance of the coated surface, use our Nano Mold Cleaner. Nano Mold Cleaner has been designed to not remove the coating, while other cleaners can gradually remove the coating and reduce the performance over time. Any further questions regarding the application process or coatings, please contact one of our specialists at 616-452-3707 or info@nanomoldcoating.com.